And don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, I'm Scott with RVFix. Today we're going to go over one of your annual maintenances that should be done is to your slide rooms. This one here is a through frame slide room. So we'll start with this. Doing this annually is going to save you money down the road. You never want your slide room to become a problem. So if we just keep up on our maintenance, making sure things are clean, lube properly, slide rooms will last you a long time. When you lack the maintenance, that's when it starts costing you money. So let's get started. Really with a slide room, things have changed over the years where it used to be heavy on lubrications. Anymore with the components used, there's not a lubrication needed on them. So when you go into your slide maintenance, what you want to do is you want to clean it up. So you take your rag, you could use, a brake clean on it. You just want to get everything kind of just wiped down, good and clean. And when you're doing that, you're also inspecting your gear tracks here on the bottom. You can also see in here we have our gear there. So what I want to do, like I say, is we're just going to get it all wiped down, get it nice and clean. We'll do our tube also. And then what we do is we take we want to use a silicone dry lube. It doesn't have to be this brand. Just make sure you're using a silicone-based dry lube. That way, with that type of product, it dries quickly, will not allow dirt, road grime to get up on this stuff and stick to it. So that's why we just keep it very simple, light applications. So you just start, and you want to make sure you get in between here and you're just getting into that shaft inside there. You don't want to get on the wheels, you don't want to get on the gear. By doing that, we'll keep it from wanting to attract dirt and debris. And then we just go ahead and we can spray in along the sides and our top. And then I always just kind of run down on the sides. And then take a clean rag and you'll just wipe that in. You don't have to pull it all off, just lightly, just kind of wipe it all in. And that's really all you've got to do as far as lubrication for the slide room. While you're doing that, then the next thing you want to do is you're just checking for wear. You want to check your crossbar, make sure your nuts are tight and your bolts are tight here and also on the other end. So you have two sets of gears in here. So you want to check those. You're going to check your mounting to the slide room. So you got your ram mounts to it. So you want to make sure these bolts are all tight and nothing moving, flexing up and down. That will cause unnecessary wear in the metal because it's very important keeping that room level and straight. While you're down here, you go ahead and hit your guide tube here. And it's just a nice little, making sure we're tight on the bolts. You're looking for any kind of scraping, anything metal on metal is really not what we want. So this one is in great shape. Doing that once a year will keep your slide room working great.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.